Hi lovely viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel somycrafty. I'm here today with an elegant pair of earrings. These are beaded earrings with two different new shades, new colors. So it's brownish maroon color and light green color beads earrings, and materials which we have to use in to make these earrings are you are looking on screen. So now, after these materials you have seen, let's have a look on today's project. This is the look of earring which we have to make today. These two contrast colors, one light color and one dark color. We are using round beads, so we have started with 3 round 3 beads with 3 beads, round beads 3 brownish maroon color. We have to start it with triangle weave. In the beginning we picked 3 round beads, and now we are adding 2 more beads passing through one round bead. In this way we have started triangle weave stitch. We are making today's earring with triangle weave stitch. We have to add each time 2 passing through round beads. We have to add 2 3 round beads each time. This is very easy, very common beading stitch, triangle weave. As I always try to make all my projects very easy, very unique stitches. So continue in triangle weave, adding beads each time 2 beads. Very easy and very quick to make. These are brownish maroon color. We are using 2 contrast colors, one light color and one dark. All these beads are very unique. In this way we have completed the beaded part which we have needed for this project. From center we will count these round beads. We have to count these from center. We have 10 beads, round beads from center. If we count, it comes 10 in counting 10. So from center you can count, it will be 10. Now we have to move ahead. We will start next step of our earrings making. We have to enter our needle. All of these beads, these 6 beads are here. You are looking on screen. These are 6 beads. We are passing needle through these 6 beads, which are one side of our beaded part. One side beads. We have to pass our needle through all these beads. These are 6 in count. Now after passing our needle from these all beads holes, we will pull thread. Now it will come to half circle shape. You can look, this has come to a half circle shape after pulling the thread. Now here we will add one light green 6 mm pearl. 6 mm pearl will be added here. 1 6 mm pearl, light green, passing through one round 3 mm bead. We have to add it here. Now we have added it in the center of our beaded part. Now we will start next step from the other side. The triangle beaded part we made, one side is complete, and now we have started from other side our beading. We have picked one stone, silver stone, shiny stretchable stones, which have 4. These stones have 4 holes on their back. So we pass needle through their hole, 2 holes. We have passed our needle from these stones, 2 holes, and then we add one 4 mm light green pearl, and then again a 1 stone. In this way we will add 3 1 stone, 1 pearl, 1 stone. 2 times we have beaded, we have added. Now third time we are adding 1 stone, 1 pearl and 1 stone. This stone is very easy to use in beading, in jewelry making. This is very easy, so we are using it. In this way we have completed adding these stones and pearls on our triangle beaded part. We have added it. Now we are adding one bead, passing through 6 mm pearl. In this way we have added it. Now we will add one more round bead 3 mm on this the other side of 6 mm pearl. Now this beaded part is complete. After this we will add our earring wire with some beads. The next step is to add here earring wire. We are passing through round beads, brownish maroon beads. We are passing through this bead, which is close 6 mm pearl. This we are adding. So this is, you can see on your screen, we have to pick one light green pearl, one round bead, earring wire, then again one round bead, and then 4 mm pearl. On right and left of our earring wire we have these beads, pearls and round beads, and in this way we will attach it, passing through round 3 mm bead. We have added. This is the last step of our earring making. We have done. We have attached it. Now we will make some finishing knots. So we have added our earring wire, and after it we are making knots to make some knots 2 or 3 times. We have to make knots to secure it, our work. Now we will trim the extra thread with trimmer. We have to trim the extra thread, and after trimming this we will fine it with lighter flame. Now it's ready. Our pair of earrings is ready. Now these elegant earrings are ready now. I hope you guys like it. You must try it. It's totally different pattern, it's totally different shape of earrings. We have used stones with pearls, with round beads. Contrast color combination is contrast colors, light and dark colors combination, and its look is elegant and it is very easy to make. I hope you must try, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please encourage me with your likes, sharing, subscriptions and your comments. I will wait your comments, your likes, so please don't forget to watch fully my videos. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye.